Okay, welcome back to this video, and let's start the playback. And I'm going to so let's start experimenting with this animation a little bit more before start animating its tail. Okay, so I'm going to expand it a little bit to start adding empty frames. So first thing that I like to do is once it comes back down, and then it goes back up and then settles, right? So before it comes back to settle, I like to add, like, it goes back down and squashes just a tiny bit more. Okay, so let's do that first. So this is the green one is the ball that settles. So I'm going to make it just tiny bit squashes, right? It's not even. I'm just going to throw that again. I mean, it could be like right, asymmetrical, but just like to see it. And then I would like to see it how it works. So it's okay, but what I like to add also is before it squashes down, I like to add in between this. Okay, so I'm going to press Shift J right there, and then what I like to do is I'm going to add right here. Okay, so let's see, in between this and this, right? I mean, maybe it could be a little more squash it, I think, just a tiny bit more, but not as squashy as the next one. Okay, not as so. And then I need to see this bottom part is going down, right? So this is not good, okay, because it's gonna look weird. So I need to erase this part. So again, don't try to make it perfect, right? You just need to make it work. So I mean, it's inevitable sometimes that you will make a mistake, but the thing is, it's not that you don't make mistakes, but it's more like you will be able to, I mean, you are able to spot the mistake and fix them and change them and make them look better. Okay, so it looks a little wobbly, but I think but in terms of the liveness, I think it's better than before. And also here I'm going to actually add also right here. I'm going to add another frame there. Okay, so maybe right here I'm going to make another drawing between this one and this one. Okay, so I'm going to add Shift J, and then here just almost it's the same as the that anticipation when it's fully squashed down, but just tiny bit less. Okay, and then I'm going to just play back. Okay, okay, and then I'm going to stop here, and you know what, I'm going to make oops, what's it, I wasn't playing everything there. Okay, I was, right? And okay, so okay, and then maybe I'm going to zoom in just oops, sorry about that, zoom in just a little bit, and I'm going to grab this one and then expand it to make it a little longer, right? The scepter pose a little longer, and then see. Okay, so it looks a little bit more settled at the end. Okay, now in the next video we're gonna start adding a tail. Okay, start animating tail.